Hello everyone, a special thank you to Alexander in Wilmington, North Carolina, just down I-40 from me. This is freeprescriptionlenses.com, where everyone loves a bargain and no one is disappointed with quality. I am the hardest working optician in the industry. My name is Seymour Better, but call me Mo. Mo Better, because I'm able to see Mo Better looking Mo Better and show everyone else how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses when I show you Alexander's. I hope you don't mind in the title if I say Alex, because there's only so many letters you're allowed to type in the title of a YouTube video. But Alexander got the RayBan 5279 color 2000 in the 53 eye size. This frame sells for $143, complete with one free pair of clear single vision prescription lenses or non-prescription fashion lenses. My receipt has my federal ID tax number, so if you have vision insurance or unused health savings account flex dollars, you will get reimbursed for this purchase. Now, this frame comes in 4 colors and 2 sizes, the 53 and 55, the black, the tortoise, and there's a gray horn color that all sell for $143. There's a Havana with a green on the inside that sells for $183. I have no idea why RayBan raised the price on it, that one color that way. But speaking of things, by the way, I'll have a link in the description below as well as above at the end of this video to click on it to take you to the website. Of course, he got the house anti-glare that added $44, so I do thank you for that. But he's down in Wilmington, as I mentioned, down I-40 for me. It's about 2 hours, 15 minutes. About a month ago, literally, it was set on a weekend. It was 70 degrees here, a rare day like that in December in North Carolina. It was 77 down at Wilmington at the coast. So I looked at my wife and I said, I want to wear shorts one more time. We went down to Wilmington because it was 77 degrees in the middle of December, and I had a great time. We went to Airlie Gardens, and my wife, I know it's not going to sound creepy, we're into old cemeteries. And so we went down there, checked out, is it Maplewood, I think it's called, but beautiful, beautiful cemetery. My wife's into this whole genealogy and Ancestry.com, and a lot of times when she's looking up family members, it helps to see a tombstone because it gives you the birth date and the death date, so you know exactly this is the person you're looking for in case this happens to be a John Smith. How many of those are there? So she's got me interested in going to cemeteries and just walking around and looking at reading the tombstones, imagining what people's lives were back then. But hey, that's during the daytime. Later on that night, I've discovered a restaurant. I was there a couple years ago before the pandemic, but I had to go back down. It's called Las Margaritas, and they have the most amazing food. The tacos, the burritos, everything, but they have a grapefruit margarita. And if those of you who've been watching my videos know that I'm a little weird, that's just the half of it. You don't know the rest of the story. But I love grapefruit margarita. So we actually stayed across the road from the busy road from where the restaurant is. And then the next weekend, the following weekend, it was great weather again. And I said, honey, please, let's go down one more time. But this time we stayed, I think it was called the Homestead Suites, which is on the same side of the road, right behind it. It was like a minute walk. There was a sleep-in that was closer, but we stayed at the Suites. But I love me some Wilmington. By the way, here's a fun fact. I-40 ends at Wilmington, North Carolina. So if you're in Barstow, California, there's a sign for Wilmington, North Carolina. I think it says something like, 2,500 or 3,000 miles, whatever the exact number is. That's what it says. But, oh, by the way, Alexander, there's 3 people in this household who've been buying glasses for me, and I do thank you. His housemate, Robert, bought 2 pair of the RayBan 5228, one with clear lenses, one with sunglass lenses. I've already shipped the clear one with the DuraVision Silver anti-glare coating. There was a mess up with his order. The lab sent me the wrong prescription. It was off by just a small amount, but I caught that. So I've had to reorder the lenses, and that's what the delay is. So Alexander, if you don't mind mentioning that to Robert, I would certainly appreciate it. So his is the straggler. His sunglass lenses are the straggler that's coming. But by the way, you're going to be getting the hard shell RayBan case, the RayBan cleaning cloth. You get the bag that the frame comes in with the SKU number, the barcode on there, the original demo lenses, and every frame. Of course, the house anti-glare doesn't come with any branded anti-glare cloths like from Zeiss, like Robert got the first time, but you'll still be getting one of my premium microfiber cleaning cloths. with instructions. Actually, I'd love to have a selfie. Alex, may I call you Alex for the purpose of the title? If not, if you're not into the brevity thing, Alexander. If you want to send me a selfie standing in front of Las Margaritas so I can be jealous of you, please go ahead and do that. And I also send out cleaning instructions not only on the frame and lenses, but for your case and your RayBan cleaning cloth and the cloth that I'm providing, so those two will last you for years. So again, I'll have a link in the description below. If you have any questions, call Jigsaw, my website developer / executive assistant / translator of 5 languages / optical apprentice / I'll come up with some more titles. I work him like he's a rented mule. But you can also text that number if you don't have time to talk to someone live. You can always email me at freeprescriptionlenses.com, the contact me page. You can leave a question or comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to click on the link above to take you to the website. And now hopefully everyone else has got a chance to see how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses. Thank you.